Yes, children, we are going to start our classes. Good morning to all. Ansh, how are you, Ansh? Good boy.
Ma'am,
Whatever
I'm
ma'am,
fine.
yeah, good boy. Whatever ma'am is telling, you have to do it on time, okay? Then only we will be able to do. And every worksheet you have to complete. Even ma'am will help you to do it. Sujin, stop playing, Sujin boy. Yes, Sonam, take a new page. Kailina, get ready for the class. Sri Mukilan, sit up straight. I told you not to write anything. Ma'am will give you instructions. Okay. Now, we are just going to see the meanings of it. Okay. You just write Roman number 5, meanings. Never mind about any Roman number because we are doing with worksheets. So take a new page and start writing meanings. The first one, you don't write now, you can just see to it. Gifts. What you get from somebody for your birthday, when you get first rank, or when you, some special day, somebody comes home, they'll give you gifts. That means presents. Excitedly means excited, very much excited, with great joy. Joy means happiness. Children, don't write now. You just listen. Excitedly with great joy. Colorful. Lots of colors together. See, rainbow is colorful. 7 colors are there. Same way. Many colored. Many colored. That means colorful means lots of colors together. Not only one or two, more than that. Decided, made up their mind. I have decided to study well. I have decided to listen to my father, mother, all these things. What decision you make? Decided, made up their mind. Okay? The same way, take a new page. Take a new page. Then start. Roman number 5, meanings. I told you, don't worry about the Roman number. You just keep one number. Yeah. Meanings. Write number 1. Slowly, neatly, because I will take this page for classwork note mark. Internalize. So write neatly. Gifts. 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 You can write by yourself. Don't ask anybody. Kayalina, please stop laughing, girl. Be good. Kayalina, I just want to see your notebook. Please lift your notebook and show me now. Tell me the word you have written inside.
Ma'am, I'm writing now only, ma'am.
Now, no, writing, you have to concentrate on writing. No looking left and right and playing, okay? I will ask everybody to show the notebook. So please write neatly the first one. Now, Kailina, read the first one. Be good. Come on. First word. GIFTS. Only the word, not the spelling. First word. Read that word from the screen.
Good morning, ma'am. Gift.
Those who are joining late,
Gift.
please don't wish. Okay, good. Gifts. Gifts. Tell
Gift.
gifts. Yeah. What do you mean by gifts?
That is a surprise. That is a present.
Don't say that is a present. I just asked you what is the meaning of gifts. Gifts equals what is written, only you read. Look at the screen. Why are you looking left and right? Presents. Don't say presents. Presents. Okay. Good. Jane, you read the second one, Jane. Excitedly. Come on. Excitedly. Excitedly.
Excitedly.
Yeah. With
With
great joy.
great joy.
Yeah. Joy, happiness. Excitedly with great joy. Okay. Joy, happiness. Good. As soon as you finish your answer, turn off your mic. Next one. Sujin, read the next word, third one.
Colorful. Many colors.
Colorful. Say,
Colorful.
yeah. What do you mean by colorful?
Many colors.
Many colored, lots of colors. Many colored. Okay, many colored. Colorful, many colored. Yes. Abhisha, can you read the fourth one, Abhisha?
Yes, ma'am.
Read.
Red.
Decided.
Ma'am.
Yes, I have decided to study hard. I have decided to listen to ma'am. All this decision, what decision you're taking? Made up your mind when you make a decision. Okay, write neatly.
Thank you, ma'am.
Kailina, which one are you writing, Kailina?
First one, ma'am.
Kailina, do you want me to shout at you? No, you are a good girl. Now, 7 minutes got over. You are not writing. I'm just watching you. Be good. Complete your work. Okay, you have to learn the spelling. Hurry up. You're writing only the first one now. Now, start. Gifts. GIFTS. Those who have completed, go through the spellings. Write neatly. Rida, can you read first and the second one with the meaning?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, first one.
Gift, present. Excitedly.
Excitedly. Made up their mind. Made up their mind. Say. Now listen. Is it Rida who's reading?
Yes, ma'am.
Second one you read, Rida. Excitedly.
Excitedly.
Yeah.
With great
Sorry,
joy.
not decided. Sorry. With great joy. With great
joy.
Decision only made up their mind. Okay. Now next to
Colorful.
Rida, turn off your mic. Now Kevin, read the fourth one. Kevin, sorry, third one. Kevin, read the third one.
Colorful.
Colorful.
Many colored.
Yeah, 1 minute, just wait. Many colored means lots of colors. You must imagine the rainbow colors. Rainbow is colorful. Okay. Now read the fourth one. Decided. Come on.
Decided.
Made up
their mind.
Yeah, each one. When they decide, they are making up their mind to do certain things. Okay, very good. Now, Ashwant, can you read the first two? Children, why I'm taking others read? Within that, time, you have to complete. Okay. Ashwant, read the first two. Sanvi, did you write Sanvi?
Gifts.
Gifts. Sanvi, did you write?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Ashwant, tell me. Gifts.
Gifts.
What is the meaning of gifts? Presents. Yeah.
Presents.
Yes, for your birthday, you'll be getting a gift. For any special occasions, you will give gifts to others. Okay, good, Ashwant. Second one, I want Sona to read. Sona girl, read. Second one. Second one.
Excited.
Excitedly, yeah, with great joy. When you hear about you're getting first rank, when you're getting full mark for the assignments, how excited you will be. Okay, good. Now, third one, Dhruv, are you there, Dhruv? Dhruv? Not there. Okay. Ansh is getting ready to read the third one. Ansh, read Ansh.
Yes, ma'am.
Third one.
Colorful, many colored.
Enough. Colorful, many colored. Now, Sanjit, are you there, Sanjit? Sanjit? Sanjit?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me. Read the last one.
Which
Decided. Read. Decided. Yes.
Decided.
What do you mean?
Made up.
Made up their mind. Say?
They made up their mind.
Made up their mind. Very good. Okay, Sanjit, how are you?
Mind.
How are you, Sanjit?
I'm fine.
Okay. Now, children, those who are not there, don't get worried about any work because worksheets have been sent. Even now, we are doing worksheet in class too. Okay, today's special class, all must attend. Try to attend, okay? Those who are able to attend. Good children. Next one. Now, hope all would have completed because I gave you more than 13 minutes to complete. Yes, Riha, how are you, Riha?
Yes, ma'am. Finished.
Riha? Yes, Riha,
Yes, ma'am.
how are you?
Fine, ma'am.
Okay, take care of your health, okay? Now, have you written all the 4 meanings?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, listen. Now, don't be in a hurry to do the assignment, children. Okay, Hans John, why are you so happy? Okay, children. Many children I have to call one by one and see. Now we'll go to the next one. Next one is an interesting exercise. Ma'am is not going to give you the answers. You have to write. Okay, you have to imagine. Okay, let us see what is it. What happened to Srelina? How are you, Srelina? Srelina, are you all right? Yeah, if you feel like drinking water, you can just have a tumbler of water, okay? No need to ask, ma'am. And if you just want to go to the restroom, go and come soon. Not all of you if it is urgent. Okay, children. Now we shall go to the next one. Now, please write the question. Take a new page. Imagine you are these animals. Write that. Listen carefully. Take a new page and write. Imagine you are these animals. Write what you would like to do. Okay. Write what you would like to do. Write the question. All of you write the question. Imagine you are these animals. Write what you would like to do. Take a new page Prajan, right?
Ma'am, I have space in my page. Should I
What
write
else?
in page? Ma'am, I have space in the page that I just wrote right now. Can I write in that page?
Ansh, don't talk, Ansh. Don't confuse children. I told you take a new page for this exercise. You have enough pages in your notebook. Take a new page and start. Imagine you are these, because each one's answer will be different. It will take time to write the question. Abhisha, did you complete the question? Can you read from your classwork note?
No, ma'am.
Now, write the question. Write the heading. Imagine you are these animals. Write what you would like to do. Those who have completed the question, the first question, what you have to answer is, if I were a monkey, you must write that. If I were a monkey, then you must write what you would like to do. I would. Each one. Please write the first one. I will ask you to read your own answers. Yes. Anyone who is ready to answer for the first question can tell me, only after writing in your classwork note. Nothing else, only after writing in your classwork note. If I were a monkey,
Ma'am. Ma'am, I'm Kanira, ma'am. Ma'am, I finished, ma'am.
Ritik, 1 second. Please listen. Kanira first, Ritik second, Tridip third. Don't come again. Let me ask what they have to tell me. Yes, Kanira.
Ma'am,
Yes.
if I were a monkey, I would climb trees.
Very good. I would climb trees. Now, second one, Ritik Pranav. Yes, Ritik. If
I would run fast.
you will run fast, I would run fast. Only the first one you are writing. Now, Tritiv, tell me what you have to say.
If I were a monkey, I would swing trees.
Very good. He would swing on trees. He will be swinging. Swing, you know that? Very good. Very nice, children. So you can write your own answers. Let me wait for everybody to complete.
Thank you,
1
ma'am.
minute. Others, don't turn on your mic, I'll tell you. Leave a line and write the second question. If I were a horse, you must not use was, you must use were with I, plurals. Okay, horse, please. Those who completed the first one can write. Ansh, what did you write for the first one, Ansh?
If I were a monkey, I would swing.
I would swing. Listen, if I were a monkey, don't write was. Good. Now, Sujin, can you share with us your answer?
Is that what you wrote?
If I were a monkey, I would play and cheat wild cats.
Okay. Once again, you tell Sujin.
If I were a monkey, I would play and cheat wild cats.
Okay. Next one, Cyrus, can you tell me your answer? Let me take the name list. Yes.
If I was a horse,
No was.
I
If I were a monkey, yeah.
would run fast.
Okay, you would run fast. If I were a monkey. Okay. Very good. Now listen, very good, children. You can write the second one.
Ma'am, I'm Judah. Ma'am, can I tell the second one?
Judah, just wait, Judah. As I was calling each one, I will call. You stop asking, okay, Judah, I will call you. No.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, don't turn on your mic. See, when you turn on your mic, everybody will have that habit of turning on their mics and ask. I will call according to the numbers now. Yes. Jonathan Paul, can you read the second one, Jonathan Paul?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes,
If
Jonathan.
I were a horse, I would run.
Run fast also you can write. I would run fast. Judah, please tell Judah.
Yes, ma'am. If I were a monkey, I would climb trees.
Not monkey. I'm asking about horse. Judah, please
I
listen,
were
Judah.
a horse, I would run fast.
Yeah, you would run. Judah, you have to listen, okay, to the question and speak. Good. Kabir, can you read the second answer from your notebook? Ansh boy, sit down. No, Ashwant, sit down. Kabir,
Yes, ma'am.
read the second one, Kabir.
If I were a horse, I would run very fast.
Very fast, very good. Those who have completed that can write the next one. If I were a peacock. Mukhil M is going to give me the answer for that. Mukhil.
Ma'am,
Yes, Mukhil. If you were a peacock, you start. If I were a peacock, what will you do? You can just imagine. Just imagine that.
if I were a peacock, I would dance in the rain.
Very good. I would dance in the rain. See, because you know all that, you know, you are imagining and you are answering. Very good. Yes. Punit, are you there, Punit?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you give your answer? If I were a peacock, If I were a peacock. Punit,
Ma'am, if I were a peacock, I give other peacock feathers.
very good. She is talking about feathers. Joshika, after a long time, I'm going to see you, Joshika. Joshika, where are you? Joshika. Alvin, I didn't call you Alvin, just that Joshika speak now. Okay, Alvin. Children, you learn how to. What happened, Alvin? Joshika, are you there? Mishti,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me the answer. If you were a peacock,
If was a duck, I would swim, ma'am.
you would sing.
Yes, ma'am.
Peacock. Peacock, will peacock sing? Mishti,
Peacock will dance, ma'am.
dance. Now listen, turn off your mic. Now I want Sanvi to give me. If I were a duck, all of you complete all the questions? You can tell anything, it's an imagination, Sanvi. You can think and tell me. If I were a duck,
If I were a duck, I would swim in the
you would swim in the
water.
yeah, you can swim, you can play, and you can tell even the noise. Now, what noise do ducks make? 1 minute. Sona, can you tell the sound made by ducks? Ducks.
Quack.
Very good. Say once or twice, Sona. Quack. Okay. Yes, good. Children, you have to complete all this. So even we can ask you to imagine some other animals. This was very easy for you to write. So you can imagine yourself as certain animals, and you must think and keep the answer ready. What you would like to do? What would you do? All that. Okay. You must be able to write within and without any mistake too. Okay now. Effie, can you read the first two questions and the answers about the monkey
Okay,
and the
ma'am.
horse? Yeah. I'm
Okay,
giving
ma'am.
the children a chance to complete it.
If I were a monkey, I would swing on the branches.
Very good.
If I were a horse, I would like to gallop.
Very good.
If
Gallop.
I were a
Dance.
peacock, I would like to dance.
If I
If I were a duck, I would like to play in the grass.
very good. See that? Not only swimming, just play. Okay. Now I need I just call one child. Shashwata to share with us her answers. Share. Shashwata. Shashwata is not there. Okay. Virti, can you tell me the first ones? Can you tell me? Hope all would have completed. The first one.
Yes. If I were a monkey, I would eat bananas.
Very good. Now listen. Suddenly somebody will call ma'am. Virti, read the second one. Read Virti.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, one
If
minute.
I were a house, I would carry load.
Very good. Shashwata, can you read third and fourth one?
Okay, ma'am. If I were a peacock, I would dance in rain.
Very good.
When
Next
I
one.
ran back, I was still in pond.
Very good, children. I think it's time now. Yes, it's time. You can just close your notebooks, keep it aside. Those who want to go for a break, go for a break. Get ready for the activity today. Okay, now, children, don't make noise. Ma'am is going to put the link for y'all. So don't be in a hurry. Okay, bye, children.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.